Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel upgraded formula subscription. If you have purchased any product on their official website and by mistake if you have taken any kind of subscription, so how you can cancel. So basically you can cancel your subscription by using three ways. The first way is very easy. You need to visit on their official website, and in the bottom side you will see they have provided their phone number and their email address. You just need to simply call their customer support team and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription, and they will cancel your subscription. If phone number is not available, then in that case you can compose an email. The email format you can see, or you can take any help from ChatGPT, and you can compose the same kind of email. In the email you need to mention your name, your account number, your subscription plan, your starting date and ending date of your subscription. All the details you will get in your email, or from your account you can easily get the details of your subscription. And you need to mention why you want to cancel your subscription. And when you compose your email, don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation in the end, in the bottom of the email. Okay, and once you compose this email, you just need to simply send this email at their you can like email address, that is like care@upgradedformula.com. and you can also find this email their contact us section, like in the bottom side of their official website. Okay, and by using this way you can easily cancel your subscription. If these both methods will not work, you can find out some videos on YouTube, like how to cancel subscription on Play Store or iOS. Then you can also cancel your subscription of your upgraded formula by using the tutorial of cancellation of subscription on Android and iOS. I will also provide you link in our video description box. You can also cancel your subscription on iOS and Android. Okay, so these are the methods. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.